horticultural science class. In our last class, we talked about okra, and in today's class, we'll be talking about orange. Orange, the botanical name, Citrus sinensis. Orange is a fruit crop which belongs to the citrus family. The fruit of orange, called berry, is succulent, fleshy, and juicy, and it is also rich in vitamins and minerals. Land preparation. The land is cleared with cutlass and stumpling is done. Land is being plowed and harrowed mechanically. What are the varieties of orange? The varieties include sweet orange, we have the sour orange, we have the lime, we have the lemon, we have the tangerines, we have the grapefruit. What are the climatic and soil requirements? Sweet orange requires a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius and the rainfall of 75 cm to 125 cm per annum. For the soil requirements for sweet orange, it requires a well-drained, fertile and deep soil. It also requires a higher elevation and slightly sloping land. What are the planting materials? We make use of the seeds, we make use of the budded seedlings, and we make use of grafted seedlings. What are the methods of propagation? Propagate them sexually by seeds, and the vegetative propagation, which is by the budding. What is the planting date? Pre-nursery is ideal between October and December, and nursery in April and May. What are the nursery practice? The seeds are raised in seed trays by October to December in a loamy soil rich in organic matter. The seeds are sown 3 cm by 3 cm at 2 cm deep. The seedlings are now replanted at 60 cm by 60 cm spacing. It is planted around April and May. Watering, weathering, and shading are provided. Budding and grafting are done a year later. Transplanting. After 1 year of budding, the seedlings are transplanted to the field at a spacing of 7 meter by 7 meter. What are the cultural practices? Number 1 is weeding. This is done regularly with the use of cutlass or herbicides. Fertilizer application. Sulfate of ammonium at the rate of 350 kg per hectare is applied by ring method at regular intervals. Mulching is also done during dry season. Irrigation, especially during the dry season, is also practiced. Pruning can also be done. Insects and diseases should be controlled and prevented. Maturity period. This occurs between 3 to 7 years. Harvesting. Clean or spot picking of matured or ripe fruits with hands or harvesting knife is done carefully and over a period of time. Processing and storage. Orange can be processed into orange juice, which can be stored in cans or bottles or bottled form. Pest of orange. We have the red mite, we have the scale insect, we have the aphids, we have the fruit borers, we have the caterpillars, and all these pests attack the citrus leaves, flowers, and fruits. And how do we control them? We spray them with insecticide like gamalin 20. We also have the leaf hoppers. These attack the citrus leaves, leading to the floration and reduced yield. How do we control the leaf hoppers? We control them by hand picking, and we make use of poisonous bites. Disease of orange. We have the gumbosis, which is caused by a fungus, and it's been spread by air through the soil. Symptoms of this disease include rotting of the bark near the ground, drying and cracking of bark, and with the release of gum or slimy substance, and the leaves turns yellow and begins to die back. Control. How do we control them? We make use of resistant varieties, and we should spray with appropriate fungicides. And we should also paint the truck with crude carbolic water. Another disease of orange is the tree tessel. It is a viral disease which is transmitted by air and some insects. The symptoms include swelling of the bud union. And how do we control them? We make use of resistant varieties. Another disease of orange is the citrus scab. This is a fungi disease which spread within the soil. It attacks the young leaf and stem, especially in the nursery stage. How do we treat them? How do we control them rather? We control them by treating them with fungicides, with the appropriate fungicides. Thank you very much. See you in our next class. In our next class, talking about pepper.